What's up guys, Marilyn's here. How are you doing? I hope you all good. As you can see I have a yeah, thanks motorcycle. As you can see I have a crazy style. I want to do today kind of a crazy look. That's why I did my hair to feel more like that character that I want to create, something like that. I want to do kind of a disco funky style. That's why I did this hairstyle. Let me know in the comments if you want me to show the way I have done this. Shout out to my sister, the one that had enough patience to do it. So yes. And now let's get started. So guys, I'm not sure if the last bit of my makeup was filmed because my camera turned off, but what I use for the powder is baking powder from the Revolution, and I also applied for the lipstick the Rose Awakening from Avon, and it's, I don't know from what collection is this one, but it's like a pink one, and I added a little bit of shadows, the one that I put it down on my lips. That was for it. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoyed. It's not probably a type of makeup that you can use every day, because definitely it's something extravagant, if you can say so, but it's definitely something that you're having fun making. Surprisingly, but I really like it. Maybe because it's different from what I'm doing, and it's not just a simple nude or, I don't know, a little bit of blue there down just like to highlight something. No, your whole eyelid is covered in blue, so it's definitely different from what I'm doing. I hope you like it. Don't forget about subscribes, likes, commenting. Stay healthy. Bye.